So it's January 16th, and I'm on my way to Gecko Recording to do mix fixes for some more of the tracks with Lyman. Beautiful, snowy, frigid day. And I don't know, it's like mix fix day, and then the first band practice with the Neon Marias is tonight, which I'm very excited about.
You're right this time. You're so good at breaking hearts with the weak. You're right.
Yeah.
Well, this ain't a love story.
I think I like them over on that side better.
Oh, honey, you're so good.
Because then you got the crunch of the electric, you know? Yeah, definitely.
Sunday.
And so this is yeah, that's serious. Sorry about that.
Here's what it was before.
It's like a puddle of mud.
Now,
Drastic times call for desperate times
still
call
got
for
some low end, you know.
Yeah.
But the mud's
Yeah.
done. It's got still its character. It's
I agree.
punch, but
That's cool.
otherwise it just muds up the whole mix.
Yeah. Do you hate does it matter to you whether it's a pod signal coming in or a live guitar? Do you prefer one
No,
or the other?
I think whatever you put down has to fit
Song.
your song,
Yeah.
and I don't care where it comes from.
Yeah.
if it sounds like it fits and it works, then who cares if it came from freaking pod or from
Yeah.
your ass? You know what I mean?
I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out, you know, as I'm thinking about the record, we're coming to the close of this project, you know. And it starts. It's starting to be less about the pressure of writing something that you're proud of. That kind of pressure is gone. And what I'm starting to feel now is a different kind of pressure, which is, are people gonna like it? Are they gonna identify with it?
Lately, I've been thinking I could